Before the names of holy books, the Bible, the Gita, the Quran. The is used before the names of holy books. The Bible is a holy book, so we use before the Gita, the Quran. Then, before the name of nouns which are unique and only one of its kind, the sun. The sun is a unique, so we use the sun, the earth, the moon. Then the is used with superlative. The best boy, the cleverest girl, the most beautiful bird. The most beautiful is a superlative degree, so we use the. Before this superlative degree, we use the. Before the dailies, airlines, etc. The Indian Express, the Hindu, the Indian Airline. The Indian Express is a dailies, so we use the. The is used before the dailies, the Indian Express, the Hindu, the Indian Airline. The